My name is Jaden, and I took Python 2. This project was inspired by dictionaries in general. I stuck with this project because it was interesting to work with dictionaries in class. During class, I learned about dictionaries and accessing dictionary keys and values. Dictionaries have key-value pairs. Each key maps to its associated value. I use the in keyword to check if the user's input exists in my dictionary. Then, based off the input, I was able to change the value through the key. Creating the dictionary. The inventory for the food is stored in a dictionary. Dictionaries have key-value pairs. The keys are the food products, and the values are how much food is in the inventory. The user inputs what they would like to buy. I check to see if the input is in the inventory. If the input is in the inventory, I check to see if the user could take the amount that they want. And now for the demo. Okay. So it would ask me what I would like to buy. So if I put, I want to buy Bob, then it will say it does not exist. And if I want to buy a taco, and then I put this insane number, then it's gonna say that there's not enough in stock. If I want to buy a juice, then if I put 1, then it's going to register. And now the juice, the value of juice is subtracted by 1. And if I put done, then it gives you the list of items I purchased, and you're done. And my favorite part of this project was editing the inventory and making different values for each one of the keys. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add more pics. I would make pictures of food. I will charge money and give a limited amount of money. I can also give the ability to make money so you could buy more food. Thank you.